Good evening, everyone. As I'm sure you have heard by now, it is with great sadness that I must announce the passing of our colleague, friend, and family member, Colin, known to many as the Blue CFL. Colin passed away in the morning hours of Thursday, August 12th, after a days-long battle with a previously undiagnosed form of acute leukemia. He suddenly fell ill while on scene of one of the most tragic building fires in his home state of Connecticut in recent years, and after being rushed to the hospital, he underwent emergency surgery to save his life. Unfortunately, God called and needed a firefighter, a call to which Colin responded. Colin was representative of everything a person ought to be. He was selfless in every way imaginable and would give you the shirt off his back if you needed it. He served his local community for 6 years as a volunteer firefighter and EMT. Whether he was responding to fires, 3D printing masks for hospitals during the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic, directing traffic at COVID testing sites, running the weekly amateur radio net, or taking shifts on the ambulance to save lives, Colin was quite literally one call away. His friends, family, and community members have spoken at length about the goodness of his heart in recent days, and I would not be surprised if they find it to be made of the purest gold. To me, Colin was more than just a fellow enthusiast. He was one of my closest friends. I look back fondly on the many days in which we played games together, such as Minecraft, Flashing Lights, 911 First Responders, and The Forest. We spent a great deal of time playing together and discussing life's plans for each other. Colin was also an integral member of the Lounge, dedicating his time to build amazing things in our world. I'll still never understand quite how his train system and fire alarm panel worked, and his quick wit was something I always looked forward to during calls. He made the sun come out on even the darkest of days. Most recently, Colin began his full-time employment with Johnson Controls and excitedly shared this accomplishment with his friends. Colin, we're exceedingly proud of all that you did, not only for us, but for the many thousands of people you touched during your short time on Earth. I will miss you tremendously, and my games will never be the same without you. To Colin's family, my heart is with you at this time. Thank you for sharing such an amazing soul with us. To better memorialize Colin, I would like to share some of his finest moments with you to conclude today's video. Please share your favorite memories of him in the comments below. Thank you again, Colin. As we always said, later.
Hello YouTube, Blue CFL here. I apologize if the video is a little shaky. I haven't developed a steady hand yet. Today will be the first video of my first restoration project. It is a chrome pull station. This channel would consist of videos of fire alarm devices, as seen here. You see before you are 3 Edwards 895Bs. They're all different. Burglar alarm system devices, as seen here. Gotta love it when things are new in box. Packaging in this case. I also have emergency vehicle equipment, as seen here. And there's all the devices that were in the package. If you need somebody to help you out with something, by all means ask. But if you don't feel comfortable doing something, don't do it. Okay, have fun.